So I think that's kind of neat. I actually worked on a farm, and I had my MBA from Keenan Flagler Business School, and I said, you know what are we needing in these communities? How do we get these small towns building again? And there's a lot of kids with a lot of talent. I coach wrestling and the wrestling team here in Hartford, and I said, you know what, these kids have talent, they just don't have any direction. And hopefully this starts giving them some of that direction. NABIT is going to be part of a podcasting studio, and we're going to bring people in here and teach them how to podcast. And so they can start marketing and getting stuff out through the new media communications methods like podcasting. And then Stone Soup Labs, it's going to be a business developer incubator for small businesses. So we were first in the design concept, and we had some nice pictures putting up that, yep, that's the vision. And once you see the vision, you know what you're working towards. And after that, we said, okay, I went in, got the money, got the contracts ready to go, and said, hey, let's do this and let's get started. The floors were old cement floors. They were indented. They had drainage in the bottom. Now the floors are flat. When I first started, the roofs had holes in them, and there was water, there were puddles. So we replaced the roof, we fixed the roof, we flattened out the floors, and then we did a total refurbish inside. The design part didn't take but a couple weeks, about 3 weeks for the design piece. Construction was about 3 months. And Greta was very good in the communication. She talked to me, she sent me the updates. Arunas did a great job with some of the design stuff, and we added some of the finishing touches, and it looks beautiful. They did a really nice job, and all the modifications were very reasonable, and I really enjoyed making things better. Pearson's very professional. They're also local. You know, nice to go to a local people here and say, hey, let's build the community together. And I think that was a real nice thing about Pearson. You know, they're down in Benton Harbor, real close to Hartford, and I really like using subcontractors from the area, especially if you get them from Hartford, from the old town, so it feeds back onto itself. So I think that was a really nice thing about Pearson Construction. Working with them has been wonderful. And when you have construction workers like Pearson, a lot of the buildings are falling down, they can kind of come in, help rebuild them, and help rebuild this community with us.